Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Monopoly Go features. To know how to fix or how to solve Monopoly Go features, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. After that we'll enter to this window of Monopoly Go. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we go to click storage. After that we click clear cache. And in the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi. You will wait 3 seconds and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix any problem or issues that you have on Monopoly Go. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.